Alright, today I want to rewire this model engine. I don't know if the audio is okay. I'm gonna try to first, let's see if we can hear any difference with the mic. The problem is the camera I have is a cheap camera. I don't have my other cameras with me. Let's see, do we have any difference? I don't know. We'll see at the end of the video. Now, I don't know if I have a clean audio, but I will try. This is going to be a little different, so I'm not going to edit it as I normally do, but I will try to rewire this fast. Okay, we are ready to rewire, so I'm gonna cut this 7 inches long and then remove the wires from the tender and the motor engine right here on the gearbox. I call it gearbox, and then we'll see if it's still working, because I have no idea. Okay, so I got my 7-inch long wires ready to weld. Alright, let's begin. First, please be very careful while using this solder iron thing, because if you are a kid you might get burned your fingers, and this is really dangerous. Even an adult that have no experience might burn his finger, so be very careful using this tool. It's really dangerous. Now, our friend here, he told me, right here he put green cordon, use wires, blue paint if you can, but he already agreed that we can't paint it, so we're gonna just do the wires, and we can't put stickers since this is green, and we just gonna put the wires. And I don't know, but we don't have any of this anymore, so it will be only the wires as we agree on a live stream. Now again, our friend only asked me to put the wires. You gotta find a way to get some coupler to keep it in place. I did here as you requested. I just put the wires on the model engine. Okay, so again we put the wires as our friend requested, green Gordon wires, and he was asking me to remove the blue paint if I can, but he said then just put the wires. So we are done with this green model engine. Alright, thanks for watching, bye.